Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your Plantronics Backbeat Pro are not charging. Firstly, I recommended to check if you have a foil at the charging contact. So right here and right here we have charging contacts. If you have a foil, remove from the charging contacts, and also check at the charging case. Right here we have charging contacts, and remove it from the charging case, especially if you buy a new earbud. Next step is to clean charging contacts. So at this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds, but shortly you need to apply isopropyl alcohol if you have it at the charging contacts, at your earbuds and the charging case, and then clean it with a brush. You can use a toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool. And if you clean it and it didn't help you, I recommended to check your cable. Maybe you need to replace it, or also check an adapter. And at the bottom of the charging case we have micro USB port, so check this port also. Is everything okay with this port? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.